meet you?
Yeah. My name is Jennifer Boy.
Okay, so what do you understand by sickle cell disease?
Well, I think sickle cell disease is a genetic problem. Okay. It's when there's a cross between an AS and an AS can form a sickle cell, or an SS and an SS. The sickle cell actually is SS. That's sickling of the white blood cell. When the white blood cell is sickled, that's what's sickle cell anemia.
Okay, do you know your genotype?
Yes. My genotype is AS.
AS.
Yeah.
Okay, it's nice talking to you. Have a lovely day.
My name is Joshua, University of Benin.
Okay, what do you understand by sickle cell disease?
Sickle cell anemia, like we refer to it, is a disease, is a disorder or a disease of the blood, a disorder in the blood cell, especially the oxygen carrying the red blood, the hemoglobin, the oxygen carrying part of the red blood cells, so which is being distorted. The disease affects it such that whoever is affected basically is inherited, and so it's an inherited disease. It affects the hemoglobin of the red blood cells, and so by the time that happens, the sufferer, somebody who has a sickle cell disease or anemia, is always prone to illness because the red blood cells are prone to rupture from time to time. So the person is always prone to illness from time to time.
Okay. Secondly, do you know your genotype?
Yeah, I know my genotype. I'm AA.
Okay. So what would you advise? Will you advise someone that is AS to get married to someone that is AS?
No, I think that's basically what medical personnel are trying to. Medical personnel, they are trying to carry out the campaign, the awareness to everybody. It's not advisable for somebody who has the genotype AS to get married to a woman who has genotype AS. For instance, you require like the resources, finance, and work without every other thing required to train up a sickle cell anemic patient or child will be enough to also take care of at least 8 normal children. So if, for instance, you have a sickle cell child, a child that is affected by sickle cell, catering for the child, both health, finance, everything, is as if you are catering for about 8 different children.
Can I meet you?
Yeah, my name is Peace Unemili.
Peace.
Yeah.
So what do you understand by sickle cell disease?
Sickle cell disease is a disease that affects, it's like a disease of the blood, something like that.
Have you done your genotype?
Definitely. I've done that, yeah.
So what's the benefit of doing your genotype test?
Yeah, it's very necessary. As for those now that, like for married, if you want to get married, it's very necessary to do your genotype test. Because for an AA student, AA person, if you are AA, you can get married to AS. But if you are AS and another AS meet together, they can't get married. That's very necessary because as AS, there's every tendency probability that there will be an SS among either every three children or 4 children. But some might not be lucky. So might give birth to SS, first child, second child, or so. But it's very necessary you check your genotype.
It's nice talking to you. Thank you very much. Please, can I meet you?
Good afternoon. My name is Josephine.
Josephine. Okay. What do you understand by sickle cell disease?
Sickle cell diseases are diseases that affect people that have SS genotype. And I understand that it's as a result of when parents, both parents are sickle cell themselves, or when both parents are AS. So if they come together, at the end of the day, there must be one of their offspring must have SS because of there's a way they arrange it.
Okay, so have you done your genotype?
Yes.
Okay, so what's the importance of doing genotype, by the way?
To know your status, if you are AA or AS or SS, so that when you are about getting married, you know who to choose.
Thank you very much. It's nice talking to you. Yeah.
Okay, I'm Samuel Adeshida. So
what do you understand by sickle cell disease?
Okay, sickle cell disease is a condition whereby an individual has an SS genotype, I think. Yeah.
What are the implications of this sickle cell disease you're talking about?
The implications is that, okay, the person gets sick often. Okay. And, okay, I think that's the one I know. It has to do with the blood cell, the hemoglobins, whatever.
Okay, have you done your genotype?
No.
Okay, so you've not done your genotype? No. Okay, anyway, I'm advising you to go and do your genotype today. Yeah. It's nice talking to you.
Hi, I'm Irene.
Irene. So have you heard anything about sickle cell disease?
Yeah, I have. Okay. It's a genetic disease that has to do with the red blood cells.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Secondly, have you done your genotype?
No.
Why? You've not done your genotype? Beautiful lady like you.
Augustine Idejo.
Okay. What do you understand by sickle cell disease?
It's a sex inheritance disease.
Have you done your genotype?
Yes, I am.
So what's your genotype?
I'm AS.
AS, okay. So what's the importance of doing genotype, by the way?
So you know if you are a carrier or not, and maybe in future the person your companion, if to avoid them, like a future event from occurring, like I'm an AS now, I can't get married to an AS person. It's not advisable medically. It's not, because of the consequences ahead of not obtaining an SS, a sickle cell child, because it's really not something pleasant. I lost a brother who was a sickle cell, and it was not pleasant at all.
Oh, very sorry about that.
Thank you.
It's nice talking to you. Have a lovely day. Can I meet you, sir?
Yes, sir. My name is Emmanuel Osarun Namani.
Okay. What do you understand by sickle cell?
Sickle cell disease is a genotype malfunction. AS and AS, and they come together to produce a sickle cell.
Do you know your genotype?
Yes, sir.
So what's your genotype?
My AA.
AA. Okay. Thank you very much.